This is to express like and dislike, ya. Right? Yeah. And then you hand me in already your writing, yeah. But let me convert to here, yeah. Your writing, but oh, my memory is full. So before I convert here, can you read for me? Yeah, all from number 1 until finish.
Yang kemarin ya, Miss ya?
Yes, the one that last time you made them.
Oke, yang promise ya.
Yes, all.
I am interested in your promise that you will buy
promise
that you will buy shoes for me.
That you will buy. So when you are expressing accepting invitation, like Eva, I have free ticket, to watch concert. Do you want to go with me tomorrow?
Tomorrow ya?
Yes, tomorrow.
Aku tanya dulu kali ya. What time does it start or
Good.
end?
What time will it start? Yeah, and then I said it will be start around 10 p.m. Yeah, I can pick you up at 8 maybe, because it takes a long time to go to the GBK Stadium.
Berarti aku kalau let's meet at GBK GBK ya. Stadion itu nyambung, Miss.
Bisa nyambung. Kan lebih lebih fleksibel ya, lebih enak malahan ngomongnya. Okay,
berarti let's meet.
Yeah, let's meet at
GBK Stadion.
Yes, like that, exactly. Yeah, that's the way we are expressing can or cannot. Yeah. Now, can you help? Yeah, I'm now typing about this accepting information. Can you read for me one by one? Accepting invitation. Can you read slowly? Thanks, like that.
Yang mana
yang accepting invitation?
Semuanya.
Yes.
Thanks. That sounds like fun.
Okay, next.
Sure. Thank you for the invitation.
Okay.
When is it? What time does it start or end?
Okay.
Let's meet at blah 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 blah.
What time does it start? Okay. Next.
Let's meet at what that day is it?
Okay.
Sekarang yang revising ya, apa nggak usah?
Iya, yang revising.
Revisingnya.
Revising lah.
No, thank you. I'm sorry, but I have to. Thanks, but I have another appointment at that.
Number two is, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but I have to.
Okay. Then next.
Thanks, but I have another appointment at that time.
Next.
I can. I'm sorry.
Next.
I am afraid I can.
I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can.
I'm afraid I can. I have to.
Yeah.
Then
have more?
Thanks, but I'm afraid I can.
I'm afraid I can't. Okay, good one. So anything there, yeah, can be helping you to express expression of refusing Invitation ya. Invitation. Which have the meaning is what nih? Meaningnya sih sama, no. Gitu. Meaningnya sama, no. Not really apa ya? Nggak begitu banyak perbedaan, walaupun nggak terlalu sama ya Eva ya. Semua artinya nggak exactly sama, tapi hampir bisa ditukar-tukar sih. Most of them itu bisa ditukar-tukar. Okay, that is di sini share screen sekarang, ganti share screen yang baru. Join again with the new vocabulary. Hari ini kita ngambilnya udah 2. Now, you are seeing my screen now?
Belum. Nah.
So, I already copy the one that is related to today's topic, yeah, about refusing and accepting invitation, yeah. Now, before we start with this one, yeah, I want you to coming back again to the one that you already study before, ya, yang udah dipelajarin kemarin-kemarin. Tapi kan kata-katanya udah ada ya Eva, refuse, can gitu-gitu. Nah, sekarang bisa nggak Eva ekspresiin ya kata-kata yang ini nih, yang untuk ekspresiin refusing atau accepting invitation, pakai kata-kata yang tadi, tapi nggak usah di ini, nggak usah di Misina nggak kasih lihat kata-katanya, inget nggak contohnya? Jadi tadi Misina inget nih ada kata seems. Nah, Misina mau ucapin kalimatnya gini. That sounds like fun, but it seems that the movie is good. Misina pakai kata seems ya. Ya, kayak gitu-gitu. Nah, Misina juga mau Eva juga be creative ya. Nggak usah ngelihat listnya. Ini kayak like testing memory and then how many words you can remember from 30.
Ya, banyak juga ya kemarin.
Banyak, nggak apa-apa. You can do 5 good. Ini juga cuma 5 nih di sini ya. Tapi masukin konteksnya Eva bisa ya. This is the next process Eva. The next process itu setelah kita belajar kosakata, it's time for us to whatever we want to say, we use the words yang baru yang kita pelajarin. Nanti Eva akan terbiasa juga. When later on, the purpose of communication itu kan speak ya Eva. Speak, people understand, we use different words, ya. Gitu. Nah, collectionnya udah lumayan banyak, grammarnya apalagi gitu. Nah, Eva think first.
Jadi ini buat kalimat, Miss?
Dengan 10 yang di sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. 12, tapi dijoin dengan kata-kata yang Eva sudah punya kemarin, yang 30 kata itu. Caranya
berarti gitu. Itu tuh digabungin atau gimana sih? Maksudnya bikin percakapan?
Enggak, kalimat terpisah. Contohnya di sini. Di sini lagi sampel aja ini, example. Ya, example of sentence. Ya, di sini that sounds like fun. Like fun. It seems the movie is interesting. Gitu. Ya, Misina pakai ini, terus pakai juga kata seems yang udah dipelajarin oleh kita.
Oke.
Okay, I'll give you around 10 minutes to do so, ya. Okay, so for expression accepting invitation, what sample of sentences that you would like to say?
That sounds like fun. It seems the movie is interesting. How many friends will join with us? I think Jenny can come also. Langsung, Miss.
Yes, directly.
I expect the party will be fun. How much money I must give for the invitation?
What time does it
I
start?
for eh, I forgot. What time does it start? Because tomorrow my family will go somewhere. I will prepare for everything. Let's meet at the beach. What day is it? If on Sunday, I agree to participate.
Okay, and then another way of expressing of refusing invitation.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can add with the word have to, yeah.
Mm. Yeah. No, thank you. I hope you don't be angry if I am not joining. Mm, I'm sorry, but I have to join the class at the time. Yang bawah, Miss. Langsung ya. Can, I'm sorry. I have to go to hospital today.
Okay.
Bawahnya juga dibaca, nggak
Yes,
usah.
yes, until finished.
Oke.
Now, as many as
I,
you can talk, Eva, yeah, it will make your tongue more flexible.
okay. I must go to hospital today. I ought to go to hospital today.
Hospital today. And then next.
I'm afraid I can. I have to
I'm
hospital
afraid
today.
I have to go to hospital today.
Yeah.
To hospital today. Yeah, and then thanks, but I'm afraid I can't because apa blah 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 blah. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the expression. Yeah, we can repeat later on. Yeah, the way you already do in here. Yeah, to express something, but later on, Eva, later on, yeah, in our tomorrow, ya, our next session itu ada lagi yang ini. Jadi sebetulnya partly kalau kita conversation itu ada konteks, ada pembicaraan yang udah duluan ya gitu. Ada situasi yang udah duluan terus kita mau ekspresi lagi. Nah, terus kata-katanya juga nggak limited banget. 30 buat Eva mungkin banyak ya yang di atas nih. 30 yang di atas ini banyak ya. Tapi untuk untuk
Saya
bahas
masih banyak lagi.
iya, masih banyak lagi. Terus aku gimana, Miss, kalau mau latihan conversation, Miss, gitu. Kalau mau latihan conversation itu kita juga harus ada mendengarkan. Jadi besok itu, Fa, kita akan dengerin, Fa, satu YouTube conversation ya. Nanti Eva mencoba untuk mendengar, terus dapat kata-katanya, misalnya dapat 10. Nah, dapat 10 itu nanti kita pakai nih, Fa, buat berbagai teori yang udah ada kayak gitu-gitu. Jadi ketika diajak ngomong, Eva nanti ini ya, all my students ya, when they finally meet the foreigner, ya, they finally meet the foreigner, or maybe when I speak to you in English, you are not like this, not like apa kaku, tegang atau apa? Why? Because you already listen to many things, ya. For example, at the moment, ya, you're not afraid, right? Now I speak, ya, already 70% in English ya. Eva nggak realize aja gitu. Tapi jauh lebih banyak ketika pertama kali sesi kita.
Iya.
Gitu, kayak gitu-gitulah.
Oke, Miss.
That was something yang penting sebetulnya. Dari seluruh conversation itu, the most important itu, first you can make sentence. Second, later on you can hear people talk. Nah, yang thirdnya, you can hear people talk and then comments about that. Ya, kalau comments berarti harus bikin sentence kan, tapi bikin sentence-nya udah bisa. gitu. Karena udah ada basicnya. Oke, that is, for today ya. Something that kalau ada yang mau Eva tanyain, Eva tanya aja. Nanti Miss aku
Iya,
belum ini banget, tapi, Miss saranin ya, Eva nggak usah too much thinking about grammar ya. Let
mhm,
it flow aja lesson ini, gitu. Tanpa kamu sadari, nanti ketika kamu akan belajar sendiri belakangan, ya Miss Ina akan sending PDF ini ke kamu setelah end of the session ya. Setelah ending session kita, nanti baru saat itulah Eva ketika belajar sendiri bisa ngelihat riwayatnya.
oke.
Ah, jadi tanpa guru paling nggak bisa mengulang sendiri.
Iya,
Karena prosesnya kan udah Eva jalanin ya. Nah, tapi ketika ngejalanin proses sama Miss Ina jangan terlalu khawatir sama tensis ya, Fa ya.